come to work and you're not going to get in trouble for it or whatever. I need my hours. I'll be there at 7:30. Hey everyone, I'm back with another mukbang, and today I have Chinese food, but I kind of like poured it all in here because it was like a buffet. I have me a little, it's a chicken teriyaki chicken or something like that. Look how good that looks. Anyways, I have rice. This is jalapeno chicken. Um, this is just chicken fried. And then I have some, this is that honey chicken. I don't know what it tastes like. It don't taste bad. Ooh, I like it. Oh yeah, got my drink. It's juice. I don't drink Coke. Actually, I stopped drinking Coke. So how's everybody? Morning, noon, night, whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. I just piled everything in here. It was a buffet. So I was like, hey, I had got me some chopsticks too. Should try them out. Yeah. Like, I'm going to be able to work them. Let's see. Hey, I picked it up. I don't know how to do the rice, but first time for everything? Yeah. I know you pick it up kind of like. That'll probably take a little work, but oh well. Ooh, oh, and I got some of this. Look how good that looks. Went looking, I guess not. The lady only gave me two. Really? What am I going to do with two? So anyways, let's see. Our weather, let's see what I'm going to talk about. Our weather here in Texas has been so crazy. Last night, it froze. Well, yesterday during the day, it froze. Like, everybody. Oh, look, one of my egg rolls. Oh, he got all soft. Oh, he's still edible. Anyways, the weather was so crazy yesterday. People were going home like about 2 o'clock in the afternoon because it was freezing. I mean, it was like in the 20s yesterday. Light poles, the electricity lines, some places didn't have lights. My boss, where she lived, she didn't have no lights yesterday or last night. I don't know if they got them fixed today, but I know last night she didn't. She had to actually go rent a room because they didn't have lights at their house. That's crazy. I know last night when we got home, well, when I got home yesterday, it was so cold. It was about 4 o'clock, and there was ice on my truck outside. I'll put a picture somewhere right here so y'all can see what it looks like. Yeah, there was ice. And it doesn't really do stuff like this around here. I mean, around here it just stays like real hot. But the weather's been acting so crazy lately that it's been snowing, it's been sleeting, it's been icing up everywhere. So yeah, everybody was freaking out. It was like, excuse me, my husband had my car at work because I let him keep it, and I let a friend of mine gave me a ride home so he can bring the car home. So he stayed till 7:30, but he said when he left, it was like a ghost town. Nobody was at work. There was nobody in any of the buildings out there. It was crazy. My daughter was supposed to work last night. I told her, don't even go into work. The buses ain't running. You're not going to have a ride to work or a ride home. I went to work this morning. It was like a ghost town still. Nobody was out there. And then my husband and one of his coworkers stayed. Everybody left from my husband's building, right? And only him and one of his coworkers stayed there. They give him a lunch ticket for staying there. Are you serious? A lunch ticket? What if I freeze to death? What am I going to do with the lunch ticket? Anyways, and then they tried to bribe my husband and be like, well, we need somebody to stay overnight, you know. And my husband's like, I've been here all day long. I've been here since 7:30 this morning. You expect me to spend the night here? He's like, hell no. He was like, I draw the limits. He got me some soy sauce. I mean, not soy sauce, sweet and sour. So yeah, these people are crazy. They expect everybody to just drop what they're doing. They don't have no family. They act like they don't have no families that they have to go home to. And they expect them to stay there at work. Our job is like our second home. Literally. Hold on, Buck. I should have got more of these. I like this. I like the little bitty string noodles. I like the little noodles. Good either way. So yeah, everybody left. I mean, I got 4 yesterday, and this morning I got to work. I went to work at 7:30. They were like, "Oh, well, just take your time. We know when it's daylight, you can come to work." You're not gonna get in trouble for it or whatever. I need my hours. I'll be there at 7:30. I was a little late. I was like 4 minutes late, so I stayed a little late after work. Just to make up that little bit of time. But, I mean, oh damn, how many of these little guys do I have? You know, I'm trying with these chopsticks. Even though I don't get half this food off of it, but I'm trying. This little guy. I should know. I grew up around, you know, half my friends are eat with chopsticks, so yeah, I should know how to use them. The town I'm from, the majority of the town are, you know, Chinese, Vietnamese, mainly Vietnamese. There is a difference. Yeah. Yeah, got a lot of friends. In my town, where I got this is here in town. And like a buffet. I mean, they got a variety of stuff, but they don't have a lot of stuff that I would want. But, hey, not every place is going to have what you want on the buffet. I guess you have to order it. But in the town that I live in, they have, I mean, that I used to live in, that I was raised in, they have a place called, I don't know if they're still open. I think they are. It's called Rocky's Noodle House or Noodle Place or something like that. And, they have the best, I mean the best egg rolls. I need to go buy some so I can show y'all. I mean, I can eat the whole thing. They sell them like a dozen, no, a half a dozen, and so forth. You know what I mean? And it's like $10 for the dozen, or something like that. Oh, I got some beef and broccoli too. Have my broccoli. Look how good that looks. Here's my beef. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to do a video on those egg rolls whenever I get over there. I haven't been able to go over there to that. To the town I used to live in. I haven't been over there in a while. They had these little guys. I wanted to try it. It's a chicken meatball. Tastes pretty good. Oh, it has like a sweet, and sour, like this, like they put some of this sweet and sour sauce on it. Tastes actually good. Oh yeah. Okay, guys, I need one more subscriber so he can get on here. Come on, guys, you're gonna help me out. Have one of your friends subscribe or something. I need one more subscriber. And he'll come on here and say hi. If I get more, then he'll come in on here. So come on, guys, help me out, please. Please help me out. I'm doing good with these chopsticks. I'm gonna get a new background next week. I got something in mind for back here. I'm gonna take off those lights and that black. There's this black thing right here. I'm thinking like a blue color. But it just depends what catches my eye when I'm there at the fabric store. I never tried these noodles before, and this is the first time I tried them, and they are good. Sorry, I don't remember what they're called, but they're good. I love the sweet and sour sauce. Sorry guys, I stopped talking. I just started eating. Well, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat. I was gonna lick that little pepper flake, but then I was like, what if it's hot? I'm gonna burn my mouth. I did get yeah, I don't want to tear apart. I did get this one right here. And this one right here. It's a jalapeno. Something jalapeno. I don't remember what it's called. Something jalapeno. My husband doesn't like Chinese food. So I have to get, like if I want Chinese food, I have to get it like whenever. He doesn't feel like for me cooking. Sorry about my dogs. They're little menaces. Oh. I want to thank the people that send me snaps of them burping, and I mean that's cool. I think that is so cool. Thank you for um, um, becoming a friend on Snapchat with me. Appreciate it. And then people that signed up for my Instagram. I don't post that much on there, but when I do, I post just little pictures here and there. Oh yeah, I posted a picture of food that I made the other day. Oh my god, it was a bomb. I didn't record it because I don't eat hot wings. The plate that I showed y'all was my husband's plate. He's the one that eats the hot wings. I mean, I'll eat them, but I can't eat that much of them. I'll be hurting bad. Like these jalapeno chicken little things. This little guy right here, I probably won't eat the whole thing. And try it. You can taste the jalapeno on it. Oh, did I finish telling you about the weather? Yeah, tonight they said it was going to freeze again. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see what the degrees is right now. Every time I come in my house, my phone don't work. I can't send a message. I can't reply to nobody. Excuse me. No, it's still not. Oh, it's at 32 degrees. But the temperature is supposed to be dropping. Like, it says, well, it says 33 degrees now, but it says real feel 24 degrees. That's what they're saying it feels like outside. But tonight the low is going to be 29. But if you look at our weekend, yeah, it's going to get back in the 70s on Sunday. Yeah. Yeah. Our bipolar weather here, which is kind of crazy. I know, it's just crazy around here. Texas weather for you. Hold on, Gandalf. You know, I don't know what I was going to say. It kind of upsets me when somebody it's like all the time they have to talk about negativity. Why do you have to talk about negativity? You know, what you try to do is keep the negativity away from you. You don't keep the negativity around you. So why keep on talking about it? Why keep on saying, you know, oh, well, this and this. Let me give you an example. And I don't understand why the person dwells over this. Okay, yeah, you're on social media. You're going to have people that hate. You're going to have trolls. You're going to have people that go on there. But yet, you're going to have those ones that are making fake accounts and saying, hey, do it again, or hey, I like what you did. But yet, on the other account, they're going to be like, oh, you suck, blah, 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 blah. And then, you know, you're looking at that, and, you know, instead of feeding into it, just brush it off. Don't worry about it. Why worry on the little stuff? People are going to hate. It doesn't matter who, how, when, what, why, where. It doesn't matter. People are going to hate. And it's up to you to stand up for yourself and brush that shit off. I mean, you don't need to sit there and take that from them, but yet you don't have to sit there and dwell over it either. So, why even put it out there and say, oh, well, I'm not going to do this anymore, or I'm not going to do any more of this, or, you know, whatever you're doing, just because of the trolls and of the haters. Are they the ones that are running your life? Are they the ones that are telling you what to do? No. You tell yourself what to do. They don't tell you what to do. They're just making it, they're just doing what they do because they want to see a reaction from you. And what do? You go on there and you just dwell over everything that those little haters do. And what I'm telling you is don't dwell over it. Just brush that shit off, act like they didn't say nothing, and just keep on going with your life. I mean, why? Why dwell over petty shit like that? They don't pay your bills. They don't live with you. They ain't your boyfriend or girlfriend. So why worry about it? I hate when people talk. They talk and talk about, you know, the haters on social media, the trolls on social media. They're going to be there regardless. I mean, it's up to you to figure out if you're going to feed into it or if you're not. So, I mean, me, I don't give a rat's ass what, when, where, what, how, why, anything. I do what I do. And that's all I'm going to do. And brush off that shit. Because they ain't nothing to me. Be like, hey, what's up? You know you're giving me views, right? Even though you're saying, you know, you're putting your hate down there. You know? I mean, just brush that shit off. Block them. They make a fake account, block them again. It's not hard to just push the delete button, the block button. It's not that hard. Oh, I love their rice. I love their fried rice. But you know who has the best fried rice? The cafeteria where I work. I'm going to have to do a video on that. I was going to do it today, but it wasn't open. So it was like, fudge. I guess. Maybe tomorrow I can go by there. And I could do a car mukbang. Yeah. I could do one in my car. That would be awesome. What y'all think? Yeah. I think I can do that. Hell yeah. I'm just gonna have to take my camera with me. Don't start. Shoot, I'm eating with these chopsticks like I'm a pro. Hold on, baby. You get leftovers. My puppies are over here waiting for me to drop something. I would lift my cup up so I can drink it, but it's holding the lid right here. It's holding it up. So I just lean over and drink some. My show comes on tonight. My husband's waiting for me to finish doing my videos so I can go watch it with them. I was like, hold on, I still gotta do a lot of stuff. Still have to wash dishes, clean up the living room, take a shower. I don't know if I'm gonna do my hair. Oh. Lately I've been having problems with my hair. If anybody knows what I can do with my hair, every morning, okay, at night I take a shower, and in the morning I brush it, and when I brush it, it feels like the ends, like the end pieces are just falling out. And I don't understand why. Like it's broken, like the ends are broken. Like, split ends, but yet they're like just coming off. It looks like I shaved the edges of my hair, the edges of the hair, and it just falls off. I don't understand why. I mean, I know my hair's kind of, it's not, ugh. It's like brittle. I don't know why. Well, I might know a reason, but I don't think that's the reason. I was looking at my phone and it said my account, my email account was about to be terminated. That's weird. Oh, and then I have this one person that's always texting me. What, why, when, where? What, why, when, where, how? How did it happen? Who was there? When were they there? What time did they get there? What time did they leave? Why do you want to know that if you're not even there? Aww. My daughter messaged me. Can't wait till she goes back on days so she can ride and work with me so I could talk to her. And when she works nights, I hardly ever get to see her. Oh, and then a friend of mine is like, hey, yes, I know, random talking here. Sorry, but y'all know me. I like to talk about different things that are going on. But, yeah. Maybe sometimes I forget and then I have to talk about something else, or I say something and then I start talking about something else and then I'm supposed to go back to it and I don't even go back to it. Oh, she did a group message. So yeah, I'm used to her going to work with me in the mornings, and I cook for her and she'll have lunch and she don't have to worry about it. I'm doing good with these chopsticks. Yum, 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 yum. Hold on, punk. Got the hang of them. Let's see. Let's see, can you break off stuff with it? So yeah. I think I was gonna say something, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I hope that person never sees my videos of me saying her, texting, or he, her, he, her, she, he. Yeah. One of them persons, you know, that texts me and they want to know what, when, why, how, where, what, why. Yeah. Sometimes it's annoying. I mean, if you want to know what's going on, or who's at work, or who's not at work, or, you know, why they're not there, or is the boss mad, or, you know, am I the only, or like that person asked, am I the only one that didn't come into work? Yeah, you're the only one. Um, you should have went to work if you're more worried about who's at work, why didn't they go to work, or what time they went to work. You know, you would have knew all that stuff if you would have went to work. So I'm not going to be a messenger. I'm not going to tell you who was there, why they weren't there, or if this person was there, or if this person wasn't there. And to make a long story short for that person, I was like, you know what? You're the only one that wasn't here. Actually, there was other people that weren't there, but I was like, you know what? I'm just going to tell her she was the only one that wasn't here, just so she can just be like, okay. You know? Sometimes it gets annoying when somebody does that. I mean, and that's an everyday thing. And that's why I'm saying it gets annoying. It's annoying because every day that that person asks, you know, the same thing. Or, let me just say, that person is like, texts you, come here. I'm working. I don't have time to drop what I'm doing, to walk over to where you're at, and to chit chat. Sorry, isn't happening. It has to be very important for me to do that. Because I'm not going to walk my happy ass over to where you're at just so you can say one thing, and that's it. I don't know, it just gets annoying sometimes. And then, you know, and then another time, my office is right by the restroom, and I don't know what she needed. And I wasn't going to go inside the restroom. She's all texting me, calling my phone. Come here. I'm like, Garza. Oh, shit. I said the name. Oops. Anyways, I was like, she's calling you. Go ahead and go see what she wants. Because I'm not going in there. That's a stage name. That ain't the real name. But for reals, it's true. I mean, sometimes it just gets annoying for somebody to do that all the time. Oh. I think that's like a crusty peeps. The juice I'm drinking, I've never drank so much in the time that I've been drinking it, and today I've drank a lot. I bought me an old school Nintendo. Can't wait to play it. Well, I have to wait for it to come in, but it has over like 100 games on it. The only games I want to play is Zelda and Mario Brothers. And the Galaga, or I don't know how you say it. Yeah. I can't wait till it comes in. It wasn't even bad either. It was cheap. A friend of mine's like, can you see if you have my resume still? But I probably don't. Yeah. Stop it! I'm already getting full, guys. I think I'm gonna take my camera to work tomorrow, just so I can do a car mukbang. Did you hear what I said? A car bong? Really? Who comes up with that? Me. I meant a car mukbang. I forgot to get a thumbnail. It's alright. I'll put up a pretty picture or something. We got this. Look at my cheeks. Look at this side. It looks like it like poofs out a little. You see it? Like, see the crease right here? See the crease? And then like poofs out, like it's swollen or something. And then look at this side. See it? And then this side is like slim. It's in. The line, you can't see the line that bad. I don't know, maybe I am swollen. I know I'm swollen right here a little. But, oh crap, I don't have that much time. I need to delete the stuff on my camera. On my little picture thing. Anyways, guys. I'm already gonna let y'all go because my camera's fixing, my phone, my card is already full. And I didn't even know. But I just want to let y'all know, I hope you're having a great morning, noon, night, afternoon, whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you're having an awesome one. And don't forget to like my video, share my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if there's a food that y'all want me to eat. Let me know. Yeah. And until next time, hold up. Before I say that, don't forget, just brush those haters off. Don't let them, don't even let them bother you. Because all they want to do is just want you to fall off and not get back up. And you know what? Like I've always said, be the leader, not the follower. Haters want to be coming and hating. Don't let them do that. They don't pay your bills. They don't. They're not your husband. They're not your boyfriend. So, on that note, you just leave all that aside. Just brush it off. Alright? So, until next time, guys, I guess I'll see y'all. Bye.